Here's how we can clear browsing data on Samsung Galaxy A17. First of all, I'm gonna use the Samsung Internet Browser. In this case, we can tap on these three lines in the bottom left corner and open Settings. Now in here, proceed to Personal Browsing Data, and then we can choose Delete the Browsing Data. And there we go. We can choose what we want to get rid of. We can also choose the time range over here and then press Delete Data at the bottom of the screen. If you use Chrome browser instead, then in that case we need to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have Delete Browsing Data. Here we can quickly remove data by just choosing the time range, and then you can press Delete Data, or you can tap on the more options in order to once again choose what you want to remove exactly. Here we can adjust the time range and then choose Delete Data in the bottom right corner. And if you use any other browser, then all these steps might be quite similar, but the menu or something, the drop menu or something can be placed in a slightly different position. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.